What's going on, guys? First of all, I want to welcome you guys to my first YouTube channel called Pro Vending, and this is officially my first video for the channel. I started this channel because I recently started a candy machine business, and I want you guys to be part of my new journey into this business. This is my first machine that I purchased from candymachine.com. It is a triple head with all three mechs being at 50 cents a turn, 2 candy wheels and 1 gumball wheel in the middle. I was a little hesitant of selling M&Ms and Starburst jelly at 50 cents, but kids will always be kids. It will bother the parents for some candy, so we'll see how this goes. Also, one main reason why I decided to get into this business was to create an extra income stream that would be passive, making money while I'm at my full-time job and while I'm at home enjoying family time. Now, I know to get the best profit was to place the machine in a high foot traffic area. And everyone out there on YouTube says that your city's most favorite Mexican restaurant is the perfect spot. So I went to my local Mexican restaurant, which I believe has the most high foot traffic, and spoke to the boss man there. I told him about what I do and offered him a 5% commission. And luckily, without any hesitation on his face, he gave me a yes. I was very excited that I got this location because I knew the profits could be high, but was still hesitant about how people would feel about the 50-cent mech. And here we are, El Centenario. I installed my machine, took a picture of the special moment, and hoped for the big profits. So after 7 days, I came back to check on the machine, and I couldn't believe my eyes. Despite all the mechs being at 50 cents, looks like I still sold pretty good. Now let's watch as I collect the profits. And a total of $28.75 in just 7 days. I was very surprised of how much I made in just 1 week. I can imagine how much I could make in 1 month. Hopefully the profits stay this high. And that's all I have for you guys for this video. Thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you press that like button, and if you want to see me grow, press that subscribe button. Y'all stay blessed.